Let's take a look at this NUTRIBULLET blender combo. You have 3 different bullet cups to choose from based on what it is you're trying to make. You've got the main blender here for all your preparation needs, this handy on-the-go cup to enjoy your smoothie on the road, and the short cup. All of these can handle tough ingredients, meaning you can blend frozen fruits or ice easily. You can use the nutrition extraction cycle for a preset program which uses a combination of rapid pulses and prolonged blitz, making sure everything is blended to perfection. There are 3 different blend speeds, as well as a pulse and extract function, helping you reach that perfect consistency. The powerful 1200 watt motor is perfect for getting through all your ingredients, and it has a vented lid cap for when you're making a soup or sauce. And the best part is that the cups are dishwasher safe, so you won't be faced with a long cleanup process when you're done.